This is Chapter 1, What is Economics? Discussion number 2, the factors of production. Please note this in your notes for when they are checked later. Thank you. Some of the most basic concepts in economics is what is needed to be productive. When we take a look at this, economists have created what is called the factors of production, and this list of these factors are very important when we start discussing different things about productivity and what's being produced where. So, the first thing that we have on the list is land. All the natural resources that exist without human intervention. If it's laying in the dirt, if it has been unprocessed, water, air, trees, all of these are considered to be land. I know that in the normal sense, as soon as you start thinking land, you start thinking a field, a yard, an area where you put a building. But essentially, all natural resources, including water, are considered to be land. Now, any human effort that goes into the production of a good or service is considered to be labor. Now, if humans create tools in order to help them use land and labor together, it is called capital. Now, when I mention tools, there could be computers that help you do a more efficient job. It can be a table where you do work on. These are all considered to be capital. Now, when we start talking to economists, though, you're also going to hear the concept of financial capital, and that's money. And money is simply a tool that can be used by a producer in order to aid them in procuring more tools, procuring more land, procuring more labor. And so money, was referred to as financial capital, is a tool used by producers in order to help them better produce what they're trying to do. Another factor of production is entrepreneurship. Not anyone can own a business. It takes specific skill. It takes a specific tolerance for risk. It takes certain ideas that not everyone is able to do. 30% of all businesses that are attempted to be started fail. The ability for the business to be started, to get everything you need, to maintain a business, continue to produce a profit, all of this is in the concept of entrepreneurship that is provided by humanity. Now, those are the 4 factors of production that I learned about when I came through economics, when I was in high school, college, all that stuff. Now, lately, economists have added a 5th idea to it, the idea of factor production, and it's called technology. The idea of using the 3 factors of capital, land, labor efficiently to increase productivity. So entrepreneurship needs to know how to use technology, use it as capital to help labor and to help direct land. These ideas of the factors of production will be discussed very often as we go through the course materials. This concludes discussion number 2, the factors of production, part of chapter 1, What is Economics?